Here is how you can empty Google Drive on your Android. So let me guide you through it and show you how it works. If you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So you can obviously get inside the Google Drive app, and in here you're going to go to the files, right? You don't want to be in the home section where some random files show up. Just go to the files, and in here you can basically start selecting things. Like you just hold down on the different folders and stuff, and you can basically select as much as you want, right? And you can then tap on the trash icon in the top portion of the display, and it's going to move it over into the trash folder, right? So it's going to put it away into the folder, which is, it doesn't mean that everything is gone forever just yet, because you can tap on the more options, then go to the trash, and you then have the ability to either recover the files or fully delete them, because once you delete them from the trash folder, these are going to be gone forever, and there's going to be no way of getting back to those files. So you naturally have to be careful, and yeah, that's how it works. Keep in mind that the Google services share like one storage place, because you can see that if you tap on more options, you'll see that how much storage you have taken up. And it's not only taken up by the Google Drive, it also might be contained inside of the Gmail app or Google Photos. So it really depends on how you are using. It's literally the same storage, right? Some people think that they are running out of Google storage because of too many Google Drive files, but that doesn't have to be the case. As you can see, we also have the shared storage used by Google Photos, Gmail, and even other Google services. So you can always upgrade to the Google One if you wanted to, or, empty some of the files. But I hope I was able to explain that fully. If you now understand it a little bit better, just let me know about that by hitting the thumbs up, and I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads.